This is the story of an unconditional friendship. Two dogs were found safe after a week lost in the woods, where one was guarding other as she sat trapped in a concrete cistern in a ravine. The dogs named Phoebe, a Basset Hound, and Tilly, the setter mix, went missing on September 8. As days passed, the Washington state owners lost their hope on finding them. At this time, Tilly was trying to save her best friend. She left each day to go find help and watched dutifully over Phoebe until they got rescued by the Vashon Island Pet Protectors, VIP. The non-profit animal rescue team had been posting to Facebook about the missing dogs for days. On September 14, they received a call from a property owner saying that a reddish dog had come up to them a few times and immediately disappeared into a ravine. Based on the information, the VIP volunteers made their way into the ravine. After a bit of searching, they heard a weak woof response when they called out to Tilly. Within minutes, they found Tilly lying beside the old cistern with her head resting on the concrete wall. The team assumed Phoebe would be inside the cistern dead or alive. However, they found her safe. Both dogs are doing well, but were cold and hungry. The incredible bond between Tilly and Phoebe amazed the rescue team, and it touched the hearts of thousands in social media.